Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. My name is Chinaza, and this channel will discuss mainly on how to enhance lifestyle. But today I'm going to be making a simple breakfast recipe, quick recipe that is used for everyone who loves oats. This is take to work breakfast which you make at night and then take it to work. If you love taking your breakfast to work, or if you love eating your oats without heating it, it is called generally overnight oats. Now here are the ingredients that you're going to be using to make this breakfast. Now here are some of the ingredients you're going to be using to make this breakfast. The first one is oats, which is the main ingredient. The oats, we have some nuts here. We have, this is, you can see this is flaxseed. All right, we also have this is chia seed. Okay, the tiny chia seed, and then we have sunflower seed. Okay, and this is dry cranberry and sultanas. You can add whichever nut you love, whichever nut that goes fine with you. We also have another nut here, which is almond. Okay, I already shredded some, and I'll still be shredding more. Okay, to have it in this oat and help it easily get softened. Make it in small sizes. All right, and for the fruits, you can see I have, this is pear. All right, in Dutch it's called bene, but here in English it's called pear. I already cut some into smaller sizes. The next fruit that I have here is raspberry. All right, you know this is very healthy, antibody, and I also have blueberries. All right, you can add any other fruit of your choice, fruit that you love taking as a person. And I'll be mixing this with milk. This is a cup of milk. All right, this is a cup of oats I forgot to mention. I also add yogurt to it. All right, plain mild Greekish yogurt. This is what I love. There are other, this is 35% fat. There are other ones, but this plain mild Greekish yogurt. And to add a little bit taste to it, I have honey here. You can add other things that you love, like maple syrup and the rest. Okay, this is very easy. I'll be leaving names of all of these ingredients in the description box. You can always go there and check them. I'll also leave them on the screen so you can use them if you want. You can also swap them, add the ones that you love, remove the ones that do not go with you in case you're allergic to some of these nuts. All right, now we'll be going into this. I'm just going to be mixing this oat and leaving it overnight. This is why it's called overnight oats. When you leave it overnight, in the morning it's soft, sweet, and delicious, just the same way it would have been if you used a little bit heat to make this oat. Now let's go in with the first ingredient, which is our oats. This is very simple to make, doesn't take much. All right, this is all teaspoons. You can add all that you love. Now we'll be going in with the flaxseed. Add the quantity that you love. Sorry, you're going in with the dry ingredients first, then this is the chia seed. All right, next we'll be going in with the sunflower seed. You can also leave some to top up at the end of the whole mixture. Now I go in with some of the shredded almond nuts. Why do I make this in a bottle? Bottle is better, more safer. It's also good to store things in bottles instead of plastic in the fridge. All right, and it has a fitter cork so I can cover it and have it soak for overnight. All right, it's stirred in, and then now it's time to add a milk. You add and then you stir. Hope you can see it. Added whole cup, then add some of the dry cranberries and the sultanas here. This is also sweet. If you do not love this, you can swap it for something else that you love. Mix it together. Now it's time to add some of the cut fruits. We're leaving some to top it up with. Next, add some plain yogurt. And you stir. Now you go in with some of the raspberries and the blueberries. Using some for the dressing or to top it up with. Now we are through. This is what it actually looks like. Time to top up with the last fruits and nuts that we have left. This is the last of the almond. The last of the cranberry and the rest of the nuts for top up. And the last of this cranberry and blueberry and raspberry, and that is it, guys. This is the way it looks. Okay, now I forgot, before we go in, we top our honey. And that is it, guys. You leave for overnight in the fridge, not in the freezer. Remember, in the fridge, the oats and other fruits, they absorb and get soaked in the milk. They get soft and tender. You can take these to work if you do not have time to consume your breakfast at home. You can eat it at home. You can also make as much as you want with different fruits, different dressings, okay, and take each bottle as you go out on daily basis. You can make for 3 nights, 2 nights, depending on the way you love it. I love to make mine fresh every night for the next morning. This is all. I hope you loved it. I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share this video so anyone who loves to make overnight oats without heating this oat will also enjoy this wholesome healthy meal. Until my next video, I will see you then. Bye.